Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. So, festivities are around the corner and all of us have started preparing for Navratri. I have shared many Navratri related art and craft ideas in past like kalash decoration, temple making, rangoli, charan kamal decoration, vandan vars, entangle art, diya painting and many more. I will share the links in description box and in I icon. Before proceeding with the video, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. I have shared with you all that I have a set of earthen Mata feet which I decorate every Navratri. This set was bought a couple of years back and I really love them a lot. This time I am making a lotus flower on which these will be placed for puja. Long time back, I had created a hanging circular jhula for Krishna Janmashtami and now it has become old. So I will remove this colorful pom-pom lace from this and will use the circular cardboard disc for base of the flower I am going to make. I will use the colorful gota for some other DIY. For making petals, I am using pink chart paper. And for making sepal, I am using green handmade sheet. So I have pasted a pink circle on this circular disc and now I am cutting equal size leaf shaped as shown from green paper and then I pasted them around the circumference of the circle. For making the petals, I used 3 different sizes of pink sheet cut out and in order to give them a little folded petal like shape, I cut them from bottom as shown and pasted the 2 corners together. So this is how they will look. This is very easy to make. So first I started with the biggest size petals and pasted them on the circular sheet. Please see, I am now pasting on the other side, not the one where we pasted green paper for making sepal. The smallest size petals were placed on the outer side and the medium size were placed on the inner side. So you can follow the screen and understand how I am pasting these in 3 different layers. The smallest petals were pasted outside, the medium size were pasted inside the innermost layer and the biggest size petals were pasted in between the 2 layers. As you see from the top, it may look messy now, but from the sides it appeared so beautiful. I have also pasted another circle, smaller in size, to secure the inner petals, and this also made it look beautiful and clean. I'm sure once I will place the goddess feet on this and decorate it completely, it will make the temple at my home more beautiful. So Isha is very happy with this and I'm sure she will also help in Navratri decoration this time. I hope you too like this video. Please share your comments in the comment section below. Please do not forget to like, share, and if you have not yet subscribed, subscribe now. Keep crafting with AJ.